120 Years of Oz, decade by decade, in 1 minute. The MGM film turned 80 in 2019 and enjoyed a record-breaking box office success in theatrical re-release and a 4K DVD restoration. Wicked celebrated its 15th anniversary on Broadway in 2018. 5 years earlier, Walt Disney's Oz the Great and Powerful took in $500 million at the box office. The International Wizard of Oz Club celebrated its 60th anniversary in 2017, and new Oz books continued to be written at an alarming and sometimes wonderful pace. So, what can you say now? Throughout the changing tastes of the public in terms of entertainment, the Oz story, the Oz songs, the Oz characters continue to uplift and inspire. So, thank you, L. Frank Baum and your successors and your illustrators. Thank you, MGM. Thank you, Judy Garland. And thanks to all of you who understand that the dreams that you dare to dream really can come true.